Hey folks, Alex here with Wall Whisperer. So today I'm in this bedroom space. It's a big space, it's 16 by 14. A couple of jobs in here. We're gonna take down the popcorn ceiling. So that'll make a good mess. And we're gonna open it up for some can lights. It only has the one light currently on the ceiling fan, which is pretty dim. We also have some structural cracks in here that we're gonna investigate. There's one up this way on the wall, and then there's one on the ceiling this way. Be good to investigate and repair those. And there's one over here on this doorway. If you feel it this way, there's a big bump. So somebody tried to repair this once already, and the crack is still going. And in fact, even on the other side of the wall, it's going in here as well. So there's been a lot of settling. I'm gonna fix that as well. Okay, the moment you all have been waiting for. Let me take you around and show you the final version of all these repairs. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Much appreciated, and show me with a like or a subscribe. So you may notice I don't even have the ceiling fan in, but there's plenty of light with our five can lights. And so we did the skim coat on the ceiling, took off all the popcorn, so that looks really good. And then for this window crack repair, tied it together really well. You can't tell there's a repair. The secret sauce here was caulking that handy panel to the window molding and caulking up on the top corner as well. And same story over here with the door. So thanks again. We'll see you next time.